Look at this phenomenal view. This is my retirement life. I don't have to work anymore, and I'm only 31 years old. And the reason why is because I have multiple streams of income, multiple investments. But today I want to talk to you about one of those investments. It's called Forex automation. So this investment allows you to make money in your sleep, 100% passive, by you creating a brokerage account and linking it to a professional account that is being traded by a professional trader. It's that easy. So if you are ready to create generational wealth, if you're ready for financial freedom, if you want to fire your boss or stop living paycheck to paycheck, and the number one reason is if you're ready for your money to make money for you, instead of sitting in Wells Fargo or Chase Bank collecting 0.005% every single month, then you need to click the link below, because Forex automation is the best and easiest investment that you can get into. It's 100% completely passive, and we've been making double-digit returns consistently this entire year. Last month we just did 32%, and this month we're on track to hit 40% return on our investment. So Forex automation, I know, is definitely for you. So click the link so that you can enroll now.